Second. Stop. Lights out, man. Hundred 70 points for that kill.
You killed the guy?
No, you did.
Oh.
I got squad, suppression, squad passenger assist.
Wait up! I need a ride!
I don't trust you, not kings.
There appears to be a hostile group east of your position.
Oh shit, I should have stayed on.
Objective Delta has been neutralized. Listen up! Enemy boat south of your location!
Pick me up, Champo!
I think I used my flares.
Let's go! Charge.
Spotted a hostile sniper position.
Uh-oh.
Objective Fox.
You're fine. You're okay.
Soldiers, defend this objective!
What about the carrier?
It's not open yet.
Give a... Whatever.
I spotted a hostile soldier.
Oh, jeez.
Where is he?
By the... Hey! Team!
Lost objective Delta. I got eyes on an enemy sniper.
Kill assist, 17. Is he fucking on machine
I got
gun?
eyes on an enemy AT soldier.
Sir.
Oh.
Enemy
Wait,
sniper.
stop all my ammo.
I'm gonna bring her in real
you gotta,
slow.
You gotta, Lil Bird. Are you gonna fucking fly it in? I'm gonna hop out. I watch.
Hang on. I need a ride.
Oh my gosh.